here we got a 1960 single cab. Been fully restored, pretty much frame off, but you can't say frame off because the frame don't come off, but everything underneath it is brand new, every rubber grommet, brake line.
How long did it take you to restore this bug, this VW?
Been working on it for at least, I would say, on and off a year.
1 year, wow.
Yeah.
And the interior is beautiful, man.
A little over a year maybe. Great size bed you could carry. I mean, they're great work trucks. It's just a great car all around. For now, it's nothing majorly big, but in the near future, we're gonna upgrade the motor, put some dual carbs on there. Great, the bed is almost 5 feet by 9 feet long. You got a storage compartment underneath.
Nice, wow. It goes all the way to the other side.
So this is my 1959 Mango bus, all original, minus the suspension. We got a 4-inch narrow beam. We got Willwood disc brakes, a 2110 motor with a Rhino case tranny. Freeway flyer, runs about 85 miles an hour on the highway. All original paint still.
And in second
Porsche
place
wheels.
with a 73 thing, Joaquin
My baby.
Lopez.
Can we take a look at it?
Yeah, do it. Yeah. For sure.
Joaquin, start walking over this way to claim your prize. All right, thank you.
So interior was all redone.
Actually, the interior was changed. It's supposed to have 3 rows of seats. But when I got it, it came with the camper interior, so we could sleep and you know, actually enjoy it. Other than that, everything else is pretty much original.
I like the way the windows pop up.
Yeah.
How many windows is this one?
This is an 11 window.
11 windows.
Yep. Yeah, 11 window. But I put the long spoons so they open more. Typically they come with little spoons. These are called spoons. 2110 with the dual 44 carbs. A DPR crank.
That's the original engine as well?
No, it actually was an original 36 horse.
Okay. And now
So
how many horses?
we're probably at about 130 now.
Nice.
So it's a big difference.
Yeah.
All right, first place, moving on.
The wheels. What size are the wheels?
The front's 4.5 and the rear are deep 6.
And those are Porsche rims?
These are Porsche wheels. These we call them Furleys. So they're like an imitation knockoff Porsche wheel, but it's one of the best reproduction Porsche wheels they make. Still has the heart that came on the original ones. If these were truly original wheels, they would probably be $5,000.
Wow, no kidding.
Yeah.
These cars are probably really fun to drive.
Yeah, they're really fun. They are. I mean, it's got the Greenberg shifter. I got a nice stereo, so it's something you can actually cruise. I got seat belts. I take my daughter with her car seat, you know,
Really?
and we have a blast.
Nice. I like the AC system that you have in the
Yes,
front.
the Safari. This is called 2x40. Two windows open 40 miles an hour. You got AC.
That's good. Angel, thank you, man.
Absolutely, I
have a
appreciate you.
beautiful
Thank you,
bus.
brother. I
Thank
appreciate you.
Guys, we apologize if we were talking too loud or if we were screaming. We had to talk loud enough so you guys can listen to us. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to listen to us because of the people over here talking on the microphone.